Hello, my name is Juan Arias.
My name is Melody.
This is Terry.
I am one of the educators for the Nutrition, Obesity, Physical Activity Child Focus program funded by First Things First.
We provide garden-themed nutrition education to children under the ages of 5 using the Grow It, Try It, Like It curriculum from USDA.
This is an actual peach, and if you guys have one, you can follow along with me. Why do you guys think the potato's dirty? Right, because it was in the ground.
The Child Focus program provides education opportunities for parents and providers to learn about resources reinforcing eating fruit and vegetables themed around the garden. Children and caregivers learn about topic-focused fruit and vegetables in relation on how to plant, where it comes from, and what can be grown in the community.
Part of the Nutrition, Obesity, and Physical Activity program provides interactive health education classes to parents, guardians, and early childhood educators of children from birth to age 5. The classes offered are Eating Smart, Being Active, and Healthy Kids, Healthy Future, both which provide resources to encourage healthy habits